Guys, this is so fun. I got NBA 2K Mobile Mod, unlimited coins, works in 2026 for iOS and Android. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download. All right, so let's start this from the beginning. So I'm gonna open up the NBA 2K Mobile, and as you can see, guys, I'm broke. But now check this out. I got this button and I can go for unlimited coins. So I just turned it up. So let's see if the coins start rising. And then I'm going to show you how to get this NBA 2K mobile mod for your device so you can get unlimited coins too. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, it's not increasing, but it might start working. And there we go, guys. So I'm going to show you how to download this onto your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So the first thing we're going to do is type in tweakmod.com. So now just go in the search bar, type NBA. Before this downloads, it's going to be a verification, okay? So this is the last step. So you just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So shouldn't take that long. So you can see the Apple and Android logos right there. So yeah, let's just give it a second for this to load, and then it should say like missing files. So we're just gonna download some of these. So we got like Mocasino, Travel Town. So this one says reach level 9. So peace out, guys. Just make sure you do 2 of them and you should be good to go. So that's how to get NBA 2K hack. So it's super fun. No computer. So peace out, guys. This is wild stuff.